Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow your small account. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I'm going to quickly share with you guys the indicator setup, and then after that I'll be explaining how the strategy works. Okay, so you are going to first of all click on this F icon here. After clicking on that, you search for your moving average. All right, so you click on this main window plus icon before searching for the moving average. All right, so after searching and finding your moving average, you click on it. Right, now you are going to set the properties to the same setting as you are seeing here. Okay, the period is 30, shift is -1, method is linear weighted, apply to exclude. The level, you leave it as it is. Time frame is all time frame. Now on the style, you make it color red, 3 pixel, and you click on done. Right now, and after setting the moving average, you search for your next indicator, which is the relative strength index. Okay, so you click on this plus icon again, and then you search for your relative strength index. Now for this one, you are going to make the period 1000. The apply to is close. Right, the level, you make it 90 and 10, color red, 4 pixel, and you click on done. Right, the time frame is all time frame. Now on the style, you make the background, you make the color of your background. Right, the pixel is 1, and then you click on done. Right, now the last indicator we have here is the Ichimoku. All right, so you click on the indicator in the one plus icon, which is the second plus icon here, and then you search for your Ichimoku. Right, now you set everything the same as you are seeing here. Right, the Tenkan Sen is 10, Kinjun Sen is 2, Sen, whatever it is, you just make it 15. Right, the fill, you make it, you fill it up. Right, you fill it up. The time frame is all time frame. All right, so this one here, you make it color white, 3 pixel. The King Johnson is color blue, 3 pixel. Right, and then the rest, you make it the color of your background, and then you use 1 pixel for them. Okay, the rest of the three, make it the color of your background, 1 pixel, and after that you click on done. Right, so once you have set everything correctly as I've just explained here, you are going to have a setting like this on your chart also. Okay, now before I explain how the strategy work, I want to quickly remind you guys about the powerful boom and crash strategy. All right, the VIP boom and crash strategy for growing your small account. Okay, now this is a very powerful strategy I'm talking about. Even a VIP can use this strategy. Okay, even a beginner can use this strategy. Okay, if you have been blowing your accounts and you are looking for a profitable strategy to use, all right, even as you are learning, okay, even as a beginner, you can use this strategy to be making money, all right, till you finish and become a master yourself. Okay, so if you want to get the strategy I'm talking about, you check the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Make sure to message me, and then we'll discuss on how you get the strategy. Okay, now that is that about that. Now back to the particular strategy, back to this particular strategy right here. Now, how does this strategy work? All right, there are a few conditions you just need to know, and this is a spike catching strategy. We don't use this to trade against the trend against spike. We don't use this strategy to catch the small tick, all right, but we use it to catch the spike itself. All right, now how do you do that? First of all, you want to allow this blue and white Ichimoku line to get to the oversold level, which is our 10 level. This is boom, so we are going to allow it to reach the oversold, and if it's crash, you allow it to, if it's crash, you allow it to reach the 90 level. Right, so now on boom, we want to allow it to get to the oversold level, which is the 10 level. Then after getting to that level, you don't just buy immediately, right? Because it will still be going. Now you want to wait for a confirmation spike. So whenever there's a spike, and you see that it has broken above our red line, our red moving average line here, which is serving as a support and resistance zone. All right, so once it break here, it means that price has broken above the resistance zone there. All right, and it's going to like come back for retest, then continue to the upside. Okay, but you don't necessarily need to wait for the retest. Okay, you can just go in. You can go in immediately, just as you're seeing here. You can decide to like buy immediately from this area, and then your stop loss is going to be below that structure here, right? Below the structure the spike made, right? Below that spike. And once you place your stop loss, then you hold till you see this blue line here. Once it gets to the 90 level, then you can exit the market. All right, so once you see the blue line touching the 90 level on the indicator window, you exit the market and you wait for the next opportunity to present itself, right? So once it gets to this area, you wait for a spike. All right, you take your entry immediately and you wait for it to get to the overbought level, right? So once it gets to the overbought level, you exit and then you wait for the next opportunity again. Okay, that's how the strategy work. Okay, so what I want you guys to do is that you practice very well with it. You practice. Once you see that it's working for you, once you see that you are making money with the strategy, then you can go in with your hard-earned money. Okay, so for those of you who have not yet joined my Telegram channel, the link is in the description of this video. Also, make sure to join and your life will never remain the same. Okay, so with that being said, guys, I'm going to be ending the video here. All right, all that is left for you guys to do now is to practice yourself. All right, make sure you don't take my word for it. Make sure you have practiced and you see that the strategy is working for you before you can go live with your hard-earned money. Okay, so guys, if you know that you are just coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Okay, so I think I'm going to be ending the video here now. Thanks for watching, guys. Silver out.